welcome back to my channel! And for today's vlog, ayan, wala akong salamin. Hindi ko nakikita yung camera. So, nandito si Tatay. Tatay Sudi. Hi. So, habang tulog si Babu, ayan, niyaya ko siya na mag-vlog kaming dalawa. Dahil matagal na rin namin hindi nagagawa mag-vlog ng kaming dalawa lang. Yung ganitong moment lang, tahimik. And dahil nagkaroon siya ng time para sa akin, may mga update tayong itatanong sa kanya. Ngayon na kami ay mga magulang na. Ang lalim. Put down, no? Feel relax. Okay, let's make it relaxing. Relaxing. So, my first question, Tatay.
First and last.
First and last. This is first and many. How was your daily routine change you since becoming a parent?
Change. Everything change.
Routine?
Yes.
Yes, example.
Example, you go for work. After
Yeah.
work.
Before you're going to
Before,
work.
after duty, you go outside for tea. Sometimes you go for work. Now, nothing. No tea, no crack, no work.
Go straight.
Go straight through.
Go straight through.
Yes.
And then,
And then sleep again. And then work again.
that is your routine.
Mm.
For me, big changes, of course, because I'm the one staying at home. So, it's more colorful, more happy, and fulfillment for my side. I'm more happy, really. Since Babu arrived to us, I'm more happy. My heart is full. Example, this morning, no? Small things he's doing, but I'm laughing too much. I'm laughing a lot. I'm laughing like crazy. And because if he's happy, it will double the feeling for me. Really. That's the thing. What has been the biggest challenge for you since the arrival of your child? The big challenge for your side, the weight of responsibility.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the one. For your side.
Before less,
Yeah.
then now double and double.
Yes, I can feel. The weight of your responsibility because you're the only one having income. All the needs. Of course, I do my vlog. It will create income also, but it will not be enough for all our expenses. It will help little, but not all.
But still help that one.
Yeah.
It's enough. Alhamdulillah.
Thank you. You appreciate at least small thing. And for me, the biggest challenge, a lot. Everything, big challenge for me.
Cooking.
Big challenge, yes, the most cooking. Because it's difficult for me to cook while taking care of Babu, especially when he's crying. And then, I can do multitask, even before. But now, it's more difficult because there's a life you need to take care. You need to focus on. Can you share a funny, memorable moment that happened since becoming a parent? Like this afternoon, this evening.
Yes, today that is funny for me.
Yeah. What happened? You should tell me. Tell us.
Yes, I explained to you. Don't let him walk because too much people walking there. No. After bed, I went outside. I was waiting for you. When I called, your mobile in my pocket. Then I saw other side. I'm doing, come here. But you didn't respond.
I
Maybe
didn't
you
see
didn't
you.
see me.
Yeah, I didn't.
When I come to you, then I'm a little bit angry. Yalla, let's go. What you doing? And then you change your face. And then after, when I ask, let's go eat. And then you change in 5 minutes. That is the funny moment for me.
Of course, any woman, if you ask food, they will shift their they will shift their mood. Everyone, ask everyone, even the people who's watching. For me, every time Babo pee on me, that is so funny for me because you react like, ew, yuck. This is your baby. Why are you reacting so big for him? It's only pee. And then
When he's wearing pamper, it's not pee. When you remove pamper, he's pee for me.
because when I finish from bathroom, I went outside and then he suddenly shouted, "Ah! You pee!" And then I said, what happened? And then I saw his clothes, his trouser, full of wet. I thought he peed on himself.
Cut this one.
Babo always like that. Even in shower, in taking a bath, after I put all the water to him, that's the last time he will pee. He will do like this also. And then I need to wash him again.
Baby.
Yeah, it's baby. It's normal. They don't know. Next, what have you learned about each other as partners since having a child?
Learn. The first, how to control wife. Maybe.
What you mean control wife?
That means angry. If she's angry, what you need to explain her? She will change suddenly her mood.
Always ask food, and then she will change
Food.
everything. For sure.
And then, let's go outside later. And then she will start makeup inside. Change already.
Of course. It is the time we want to go, just to have refresh our mind. That's why. If every time I hear we'll go outside, okay, go outside, change. That's what I'm thinking. For me, what is the question again? What have you learned about each other? I learned Sudi is so responsible person, not only as a husband, mostly as a father. Because he is always thinking about the future. I feel all the weight on his shoulder, and I feel guilty on that because I don't contribute on that aspect. But at least I'm doing what I can do for both of us. The things that he cannot do, I'm doing, and the things that I cannot do, he's doing. It's like a hand, the left and the right hand. The right hand cannot do these left things like that, no? It's simple. That is should be a couple doing as a family for a lighter this relationship. How do you manage time for each other amidst parenting duties? Timing? Sometimes we don't have time to each other. Only like this. Very rare, seldom for us to have this kind of time together. Because on his off, this is the time that he can do all the things that he needs to do. Cutting his beard, or some bank transaction.
Mostly problem the big.
Yes. Because he have a lot of responsibilities, as I said earlier. So, he need to go somewhere, he need to fix making appointments, like that. That's why very seldom for us. But I'm so lucky. But Sudi always giving us time, me and Babu. Thank you.
Walang naman.
You know already, ah.
When we married, we thinking we will have one baby, we will go outside, he will be stay with us. And now, Alhamdulillah, our wish is fulfilled now.
Yeah. More excited. Every time you look
When
forward to...
when you go outside,
Mm,
you have your kids,
yes,
kids
beside
with you,
yes.
your wife walking with you,
Mm,
and then now my big wish is to bring my mom and dad.
yeah. But
We will
it will
walk together
complete,
here
yeah.
somewhere
Inshallah.
for dinner, for lunch, maybe somewhere we will stay.
Yes.
That is the wish for me.
Yeah, that is the
Yeah.
goal now.
Now that's the goal for me.
Next, how do you divide parenting responsibilities? For you, the financial, I think, mostly.
Financial.
Stability for him.
Not only the three of us. I'm not
Mhm.
thinking only three of us. I'm thinking here in Pakistan, for you, for me, for Babu future,
Yeah, of course.
and then in Pakistan,
Yeah.
my mom, dad, sisters, brothers, for everyone.
Yeah, you have to know.
Because when I don't have job
Mm.
after university,
Mm.
so everyone helps me there.
Yeah.
Sometimes they give me, even my big brother.
Really? They
Yes,
support you?
every time until I get job.
Oh, alhamdulillah.
Even when I start my first job,
Mhm.
that time I have very small salary.
Mhm.
Even it's not enough for me
Mhm.
because I'm doing rent in there
Mhm.
with my friends.
Mhm. In Rawalpindi, right?
Yeah, Islamabad.
Islamabad.
And then transport,
Food.
food, house rent.
Mhm.
It's not enough for me.
Really? You're salary
Yes,
before?
even I'm doing job, but still
Not
they're
enough
sending
money.
money to me.
Yeah, just to have experience, no? That's why. Lahat ng umpisa doon mahirap. And for me, overall being of Babu, I'm taking care. Not only for Babu, here in house, you make the house, I make it clean. You buy the food, I cook the meal. That's how we divide the things as a parent. No? What has been the most rewarding part of being parent so far?
The same, when we go outside before you and me only. That time we are thinking we will have baby, we will go with him outside.
This is for you that is rewarding,
Yes.
that every time you can go outside.
Yes.
In short, the things that you can provide for your family, that's rewarding for you. For me, as long Babu is happy, you're happy, I'm happy. Double. I mentioned earlier. Same. Next, how do you handle disagreement about parenting decision?
That is only just to explain. Only explanation is enough for them. If you give Babu to someone, example, if someone working outside, if you give Babu to them, so that is not correct
Yeah.
because they are working outside, so it's a baby.
Actually, that is my
So very fast,
yes,
bacteria
that is,
will be transferred very fast.
that is my mistake on my side, because
That is need to take care because some
Yes.
people working in
you don't know which
outside, some people
what they're
working in
handling.
malls. Oh, we don't know what they touch, what they doing. For baby, we need to avoid this kind of
Safe,
thing.
yes. You need to protect.
For the safety and not for the people they doing.
Not being sensitive. Not being sensitive.
Not
we just,
because people are poor, not
Mhm.
like that, but because of the baby.
yeah, we just need to protect
Yes.
him. Because he's small, he needs protection. He needs still the safety net for
Yes.
parent. For me, yeah, same with him. Just have a conversation, communication. Because you don't know the things that I'm doing is incorrect already.
No, sometimes we
But-
thinking, example, if I'm doing something, I'm thinking it's correct for me.
Yes, correct.
So if you think from, maybe you thinking in different way.
Yeah, correct.
Because my mind different, your mind different.
Yeah.
You take positive, So it will be fine. Maybe sometime you will take negative.
How
So
you
it-
react.
It
That's
will
how you react.
be change the situation there.
I know. On my side, I'm so guilty on that. I'm so guilty. Because mostly, I'm so friendly for Babu. If Babu is so approachable, Babu is so sweet, all the people that he will see, he will smile. He will approach, he will make a conversation or eye-to-eye contact like that. That's why, if people see Babu, they smiling, I feel smile also. That's why I have this soft-hearted for them. When they approach my baby, thank you. When they said my baby is so cute, so lovable. For my side, thank you so much, like that. That's why I'm just, they just got me in my emotion. That's why. I'm not thinking it will harm my baby. I didn't think that way. So last question, what advice would you give to the new parents who are just starting their journey?
For new parents, the first thing need to be strong for everything. Because when you are couples, before baby, you can enjoy whatever you want.
Yes.
Like after baby, you cannot enjoy like before.
Totally.
So you have a lot of responsibilities. Even if you go for drink, you will think, I will drink or no.
Drink tea.
Drink tea, yes,
Yes.
drink tea, not drink juice. Juice, beverage, I don't like. I have an allergy of cold. Only hot.
Yeah, drink tea.
Drink tea.
Mhm.
So this is the one.
For me, I hope someone told me that no one told me that it will make you happy. It will make you full as a mother. It will make you fulfilling experience. This kind of motherhood, no? The connection for you and your child. No one told me that one. I wish someone told me like that before. So for the new parents, especially for new moms, just cherish all the moment with your child. Enjoy even the pregnancy stage. Enjoy that one. You will miss all the stages. For me, when Babu is small, that's the thing on my mind already. I want to be on hands for him. That's why I'm not scared to have a nanny, but mostly as a mother, I don't want to be away from my child. I always want to be in her side, even in sleeping. But for me, it's more fulfilling as a mother. Your baby always beside you. And that's all. That's all. Thank you so much for your time, for your precious time in this moment. In this moment. I know you look sleepy na. You want to sleep. And then tomorrow you have duty, morning duty again.
14 hours tomorrow.
Yes, that's the thing for Sudi lately because it's bear month. So he worked 12 to 14 hours every day. And last 2 weeks, he don't have day off. The last 2 weeks. Alhamdulillah, he have off today. So at least we enjoy with Babu, with his tatay. We went outside and just have some quality time together.
Yes.
You like it? You
Yeah.
like it?
Of course.
And dito na nga po matatapos ang video na to. Sana nagustuhan nyo. At sana may natutunan po kayo sa amin. And always remember, Nanay loves you. Before, I'm saying, always always remember, stay beautiful in here, right? Now, I changed because I know someday, Babu will watch our vlog, our video, and I want to tell him, Babu, always remember, Nanay loves you. See you on my next vlog, inshallah. Bye!